Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 13 and the name of our unit is Things Around Us. We are on lecture number 15 and I am going to deliver about why do we need animals. So my dear students, before moving on towards the lecture, so let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So previously we discussed what do animals eat. So हमने different eating habits के बारे में बात किया था कि जानवर क्या क्या खाते हैं, like goat eats plants, lion eat meat, fox eat both plant and animals. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now let's move forward towards an activity. So quickly tell me that where do you get these? So what animals give us? We get milk, eggs, meat. So all these things are different that we get from animals. Okay, my dear students, so in today's lecture, students will be able to recognize the importance of animals as a source of food, joy and transport. So my dear students, आज के लेक्चर में बच्चे जो हैं ये डिस्कस करेंगे, उनको समझ में आ जाएगा कि एनिमल्स जो हैं दे आर सोर्स ऑफ फूड एंड जॉय और इसके अलावा ये हमें ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में भी हेल्प आउट करते हैं. So let's quickly move forward towards Islamic perspective. Allah says in Quran, and there is no creature on the earth or bird that flies with its wings except communities like you. We have not neglected in the register a thing. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the pre-reading question. So quickly tell me that from which animals we get food? Hen, cow, goat, buffalo. So all these animals provide us with food. So now let's move forward towards reading. So I request you all to please open page number 118 in your GK1 books. I hope everybody has opened the page. So let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Why do we need animals? Animals are our friends. They give us many benefits as well. जानवर जो हैं ये हमारे दोस्त हैं, they are our friends और ये हमें बहुत सारे benefits यानी कि फायदे पहुंचाते हैं. We get food from animals. It includes meat, eggs and milk. We make yogurt, cheese and butter from milk. So my dear students, हम जानवरों से क्या क्या हासिल करते हैं? गोश्त, अंडे, दूध और दूध से फिर हम बनाते हैं योगर्ट यानी कि दही, पनीर यानी कि चीज, मक्खन यानी कि बटर. So meat and eggs build up our body. So दूध और अंडे जो हैं ये हमारी बॉडी को बिल्ड अप करते हैं, आपको ग्रोथ में हेल्प आउट करते हैं. मिल्क कीप्स आवर बोन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग यानी कि अंडे और गोश्त जो है ये हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं और दूध जो है ये हमारी बोन्स को जो है स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. Animals provide transport यानी कि ये हमारे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने का भी जरिया है. They take us and our luggage to other places. ये हमारा सामान उठाने में हमारी मदद करते हैं और हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में भी हेल्प आउट करते हैं. So quickly refresh your animals. Name the animals that give us meat. कौन से जानवर हमें मीट देते हैं? Hen, cow, goat, sheep, they all give us meat. So which animals give us eggs? Hens, very good. Which animals give us milk? Goat, buffalo and cow, they give us milk. So here you can see in villages, ox cart and horse carts transfer crops and other items to other places. So my dear students, गांव में जो जानवर हैं जैसे कि घोड़े हैं और इसके अलावा बैल हैं, बैलगाड़ियां हैं, ये सामान को, क्रॉप्स को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में मदद करती हैं. In some parts of the cities, donkey carts are also used to transport different items. So आपको इर्द गिर्द अक्सर सड़कों पे भी नजर आते हैं डोंकी कार्ट्स जो हैं यानी कि गधा गाड़ियां जो हैं ये भी सामान को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. So in cities or in amusement parks you may enjoy the horse and camel rides. So अक्सर आपको सड़कों पे हॉर्स राइड और कैमल राइड भी मिलती है शहरों में, जिससे बच्चे जो है वो बड़े लुत्फानंदोज होते हैं. So this is a horse ride and this is a camel ride. So animals provide us with food like eggs, meat, beef, mutton, chicken, and camel meat. They also provide us with milk. They help us in transportation, taking things from one place to another. And kids enjoy their rides, so they are also a part of our amusement. So now is the time for evaluation. So quickly answer the question from your listening and speaking questions. Why do we need animals? Because they provide us with food, transport, and joy. So which animals give us meat and eggs? So cows, goat, fish, and hen, they provide us with meat, and hen provide us with eggs. So which animals do we use for transportation or transport? Ox, horses, and donkeys, they help us in transport. Okay, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, let's write down your name and your class, and then identify and find animals which provide food or transport and write their names in respective columns. So here are two columns. आपको बताना है कि कौन सा जानवर आपको transport में help करता है, कौन सा जानवर जो है वो आपको food provide करता है. So cow, it provides us with food. Horse helps us in transportation. Then comes goat, it provides us with food. Then comes donkey, it helps us in transportation. Then hen, it provides us with food, egg and meat. And then ox helps us in transportation. So this is how you will complete the worksheet. Pause the video and quickly finish it. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's move forward towards the homework. For homework, what you will do is you will do home activity number 10 given on page number 118. So the home activity says that find out the benefits you are enjoying from animals. Prepare a beautiful chart to present in the class. So my dear students, अब आपका homework ये है कि आपने इतना कुछ पढ़ लिया है जो आपको animals provide करते हैं. So आपको उसके ऊपर chart बनाना है जो animals आपको देते हैं और आप उनके benefits जो हैं वो use करते हैं. Pictures भी लगाइएगा and then present it in your class. Very easy. Take help from your parents or an elder brother or sister. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. For wrap up, what you will do is हम जल्दी से देखते हैं कि आज हमने क्या learn किया है. So today we have learned that animals give us food, meat, milk and eggs. Animals provide transport. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.